Apollon and Dionysus. The entire Greek art is based on two gods, Apollon and Dionysus. They are opposed in style and values, but they found their unity in the highest development of the Greek tragedy. The foundation of the Greek vision of the world is probably this. There are only two channels through which man can achieve the feeling that existence is worth living, or at least is bearable. And they are the dream, or dreams, or illusions, and intoxication. Let's see what that means. Through dreams, we follow the Apollon way. Through intoxication, we follow the Dionysus way.